Discount. High Tech's on a huge discount. Oh, that's a full box. High Tech Football's got a huge discount on a full box. Alrighty. Court Kings number 2. Cal had to quick chime in. Make sure we know he's not crazy. Good luck, everyone. Good old Nate chiming in. Kevin Durant. I really like these box toppers this year. More of like a... I almost wish it was bigger. 16 by 20 or something you could hang on the wall. The writing's nice and gold. Stamping. I don't know, I like them. I like them a lot. For the Thunder, Jeff, R-E-N. Yeah, that would be real sweet, Shane. Gary Harris, Dirk Nowitzki, Al Horford, and Steph Curry. Anthony Davis. The frame with the red lettering. 7 of 100. For the Pelicans, Eric, H-I-L. There's your AD. Kenneth Fareed, Swagger. And you got your AD. Steve Kerr, calligraphy auto. 1 of 40. For the Bulls, Brian, T-H-O. Finally, Brian. Got you something. Nice hit. 1 of 40, Steve. 1 of 40, Steve Kerr. Derrick Rose, Artistic Endeavors. Nice jersey. 55 of 299. Another one for the Bulls. Brian, T-H-O. I've never heard anything good about that Time Warner stuff. Justin Anderson, jumbo jersey. 289 of 299. That one's going to the Mavericks. Brian, T-H-O. There you go, Brian. Cleaned up this box. Willie Cauley-Stein. Nice rookie. There's 6 different rookie types this year. And Kelly Oubre Jr. Another nice rookie. 109 of 299 for the Wizards. Stephanie EDG. There we go. That's it for Court Kings number 2.